Madison. I'm a Girl Scout, well, a brownie too, and I'm from Troop 7247. I am selling Girl Scout cookies, and you might think how to order when I'm not there or you're not there. Well, you can put the comment down by the comment place on the YouTube page. And then, if you don't like the cookies, then you would buy it for the Cookie Monster. Hey, I want a cookie! 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 Well, I wasn't expecting that, but I want to give a special shout to my dads and nieces and uncles and cousins